One person has died and 4 others have sustained severe fractures after a health center under construction collapsed on them. Eyewitness account says a woman and her 2 children and some other individuals were standing under the building when it suddenly came crumbling down on them at Assemblies, a suburb of Ga South Municipality in Accra. The personnel from the Municipal Fire Command in Kasua came to rescue the trapped victims under the rubble. We can now speak to an Adom News reporter, Kofi Eji, who's been monitoring this. All right, so before we speak with Kofi Eji, let's listen to this.
We were able to rescue all of them. Initially, we rescued 4. We have been sent to hospital. Finally, we had to seek the help of an excavator to be able to clear the debris, to be able to rescue the final person, who is an elderly woman. She has been sent to the hospital, but at this moment, looking at her, we can't confirm whether she's alive or not, but she's in a critical condition. We pray that she makes it. So probably the doctors at the hospital will be able to tell us her situation in due course. Okay.
What do you think might be the cause of this preliminary?
At this moment, we cannot pinpoint exactly what would have brought this, but in recent times, I think it has been raining. If you look at the nature of the soil that we stand on, even you could see that the place looks a bit like a muddy area, water area. So, but we cannot pinpoint and say that that would have been the cause, that the ground maybe it's not good. That is why the building might have caved in or not. Until further investigation is done, to be able to tell, we cannot confirm what exactly would have caused this.
Is it a case where they use inferior materials? Because I've gone closer to the materials, you realize that the blocks themselves are not strong.
They may look like that. All of us can see it. So you use your hand to tap the blocks and they are like scattering all over. But that also cannot be a justification to pinpoint that the inferior materials have been used. Like the way I said, we have to do further investigation and probing to confirm whether really who is even constructing the building.
We can now hear from Adom News reporter Kofi Eji. Kofi, has there been any update from the health facilities on the 4 battling for their lives?
One person has also passed on. Another nurse, including the owner of the facilities, has also passed on. He passed on around 10:30 yesterday night at Ga South Polyclinic. And as I'm speaking to you now, the remaining 3 has been referred to Limba Trauma and Specialist Hospital because Ga South Polyclinic doesn't have the equipment to take good care of them, so they have referred them to Limba Trauma and Specialist Hospital. So as I'm speaking to you now, 2 people have died.
Kofi?
Asha.
So, have we been able to ascertain the cause of this collapse?
Well, as what the fire service commander was saying, you can see that the area is not good for such building because it's a very, very muddy place, and you can see that the mason or the owner of the facility couldn't use maybe proper materials, building materials that caused the collapse of the building, because you can see that the concrete is not strong and the blocks are also not strong. That caused the collapse of the building.
Has there been any confirmation from authorities?
They are now investigating to the matter. Yesterday, NADMO was there and fire service was there, and the Central Regional Police Command was also there. They have started investigating, but primary investigation is that the area, the land is not good for such building, and secondly, they couldn't use proper building materials.
All right, Kofi Eji is Adom News reporter who is covering this for us. We'll bring you more on that when we get confirmation from the authorities who are currently conducting investigations into the matter. Let's go back.